everyone. Let me show you how to use the terminal in MacOS to create file and do the programming. So to begin, let's create a directory called workspace. Usually I will go to desktop to create one new folder or one directory there, as we have introduced in our course. Okay, this is a desktop, and we can create a new folder here called workspace. Basically, you can reach this place by starting from the Finder. And usually when you start the Finder, there is by default will give you a lot of shortcuts to different folder, and usually you can do it with the desktop. And let's put it aside, and then we can find a terminal. Actually we can, and to make it easier, I'm going to start a new Finder window, and here we could go to application. The application, you can search the terminal. Okay, on the application. Okay, this is the terminal. Usually you can find this terminal here, and after running this terminal, this is what happening in my end, so you don't have to worry about it. After running the terminal, you could see it's here, and you can fix it on your taskbar. For later use, it's much easier for you. Now we are in a terminal window, and let me show you how to operate or manipulate files or go to this workspace in the terminal. You can copy this workspace, which will copy that path of that directory or that folder. Then you type cd. Cd means change directory, and you can paste there. See, this is the path of that folder called the workspace. So anyway, right now we are in the workspace, as you can see here, and then let's just open that workspace. You will see that the workspace is empty right now, as you can see from here as well. I'm using the LS to display the content of that workspace. However, we can touch hello.c there. This is to create an empty file. You will see this is an empty file, and I'm going to use, you should have a text edit in your MacOS, so you can open that with this editor. It's an equivalent to the Windows Notepad, which we have demonstrated in a class. So in that case, you already have this file there. We can do the programming like what we have demonstrated in our lecture. Okay, we can do a very simple one. It's annoying because every time the auto correction function will help me to change it back, the initial character into the uppercase. So from here, I'm just going to save this file. Okay, you can actually check the content here as well using the cat hello.c. you see what I have typed there appears here. Okay, then you can use your GCC and to compile this hello and .c file. Okay, that's it. Because this program doing nothing, so let me just add a printf there. Say we're going to print out hello world, sorry, hello world there, and we save that file. Let me just do it again. So anytime when you change the content of that program, you have to do the GCC. That means to do the compiling again. So this is what I'm doing. Let's just run this file. Hello. You see hello world is there. That means you get succeed in programming in MacOS.